what do you have there?
My scarves.
Where did those come from?
John.
What do we say to John?
Thank you. I love them.
You love them? Why do you love them?
They're so pretty.
They are pretty on you, baby.
And they're comfortable.
Yeah?
I can do this.
Which one's your favorite?
All of them.
All of them? Oh, well, look at that. Who knew scarves were so fun?
What?
Said, who knew scarves were so fun?
I did.
You did?
And then I can tie it into a bow too.
You can.
It's just like tying your shoe.
Yeah.
It's kind of short, but this looks cute. And then I love this one. So comfortable and cozy. And then like this one. So cozy. Anybody want to snuggle with me?
Say thank you.
Thank you.